y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm here, welcome y'all, welcome to the family. So as you guys can tell from the title, I'm gonna be doing a DIY on my Henny bottle. So my friend Palm, I know y'all seen her in a couple of my videos, she's turning 25 on Friday. So I'm gonna be making a DIY Henny bottle. I'm nervous. Y'all, I am nervous. I'm not rich. So I spent a lot on the equipment or the supplies that I'm going to be using. I don't have time for it to fumble. So we're going to try to get this one time and we're going to try to do it right. Hopefully everything goes well. Hopefully there's no hiccups. I'm able to make it look flawless. I'm going to show y'all the design that I'm kind of going for. And hopefully this video is able to help whoever needs help. That's if I get it first, because if I don't get it, then I can't help y'all. So if I am able to get this bottle, this is my first time doing this. I've done wine glasses and shot glasses, but I've never done an actual bottle. So I'm actually very excited. Let's get started. So we're gonna start with all the materials or the supplies we're gonna be using. The Henny bottle, which is $38. I got that military discount and that's on period. So the spray adhesive, so we're gonna be using that for this, the glitter. I don't know if y'all can see it. So the glitter, I also got this glue, the E6000, and we're gonna be using that for these rhinestones. I also got the metallic purple paint. This purple paint is what's gonna be used for the coat of the bottle. And then I got these. Honestly, the guy was so nice because it was like a lady there, old lady. She was so rude for no reason, but she was trying to make me pay for the whole pack, which is $17. So he was like, no, I'll just give you the sheet of paper because you only need one. So I paid $1 for them. And I made this myself. As far as this, I made it on Canva. I found the print, I found the layout on Pinterest. So you guys can definitely do that and then fix it up on Canva the way you would like. So this, I believe, is a 3.5 by 4. And so it's gonna match this bottle. I got this paintbrush. I wanted the sponge ones, but I couldn't find that in my house and I wasn't gonna buy one. I thought I had one. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna wash it, of course. Well, maybe, I may not, honestly. All I need is alcohol and some cotton pads, and that's gonna be used for the back right here when I take the sticker off. So I was trying to take the back of the label off and I was not able to do so. I don't know if it's because I had nails or whatever, but I was just like, I'm not even gonna worry about it. And so I just got the paint and was like, first coat. So y'all can see that I'm about to apply the paint on the bottle, and I really have no specific strategy as to how I apply the paint. I just put it on, and I probably could have found a more efficient way to do so, but it's whatever. I was just going off vibes and it's whatever. But if you guys do have a better way, let me know in the comment section down below. I definitely think that you guys could use like a paint tray. That would be better. And also around the Henny part, you could definitely put tape around so that way you're not messing up the actual label. And that's for like my OCD people. I personally don't care because I am going to be applying the sticker on top. So I really didn't care if paint ended up on the label itself. So I'm about to add the sticker, the pomade sticker. I'm about to add that where it shows the Henny part. So I'm just cutting it so that way it can fit. It was a little bit bigger than expected, but it wasn't too big, so it was still manageable. Y'all, this wasn't the wisest choice. I honestly don't know why I decided to put the sticker right now. Like, I'm not even done painting the bottle. I guess I was just eager, but I ended up getting paint on the actual sticker itself. Luckily, I have extra stickers, so I didn't even have to worry about that. I just ended up fixing it later on. I will see that in the later parts of the video. It was actually a little difficult to paint while the bottle was on the trash bag. It was just easier to put it up, and I kept forgetting that I was recording. So y'all will see how I put the bottle up and down just for my own convenience. So if you watch other DIY videos, a lot of people decorate that middle part right there. I personally didn't have the time, so I just painted over and hoped for the best. I've seen some people put jewels on it, and it actually looks way better. But again, because of time, I was just like, I'm gonna paint it and hope for the best. So y'all see me apply the first coat. I did the second coat off camera, and I think it looks pretty nice, but I'm gonna go ahead and add another coat. I don't think it's necessary though. If you don't want to, you can definitely leave it like this. Excuse my knee, y'all, like I had fell. That's a whole story on its own, but I decided to add the third coat just for the sake of adding it. But again, you don't have to add it. I think the color looks nice, and I really don't think that anything really changed with the other coat or with the third coat. But again, if you want to, by all means do it. So I also let the first coat dry for about an hour to 2 hours. Went out, ran some errands, came back and did the second coat. The second coat, I let it dry overnight, and I love the fact that like it was completely dry. So that was definitely a good thing. This one, I let dry for about like 3 to 4 hours, and then I came back and I finished what I had to do. So I ended up letting the bottle dry overnight just because I was tired and I didn't want to touch the bottle. So I was like, whatever, I'll come back tomorrow. So I just took the sticker off just because I'm about to spray the adhesive on the bottle. This was not the most effective way. I would say use an actual plate versus a paper plate. Y'all are going to see that the adhesive sticks to the plate. It actually burns a hole in it. Common sense, I should have known that. But right now I'm spraying the adhesive on the bottle. I'm doing like a little bit at a time just to see. And then I'm just pouring the glitter on it. Again, if y'all can find a better way, go for it. But I thought this was pretty cool. Like, you know, it wasn't bad. It wasn't too messy. So this is not a bad idea as well. If you do want to just spray the adhesive straight on it and then pour the glitter on the bottle directly. Y'all can probably tell with how I'm even scared or reluctant to pour the glitter on the bottle. This whole video is based off of vibes. When I tell you I'm just going with the flow, I have no strategy. I have no actual way of doing this. I'm just going with how I see it will work in that moment. Again, if y'all find a better way, let me know in the comment section below, because I'm gonna do this again. I really enjoyed this whole process of just making the bottle, and I love this purple. This purple's absolutely pretty. So I'm not letting any of that glitter go to waste. I'm putting it right back in the container, and the rest of the glitter from the plate, I'm gonna just slap it on the bottle one good time. And y'all can see the holes. I'm gonna show y'all, but y'all can see the holes. The holes are from the adhesive. It's definitely easier to use an actual plate. Again, I can't be using none of my mom's plates. Like, she'll definitely pop me in my head. So I was like, let me just use a paper plate just for the sake of it. I just sprayed some adhesive on the bottle just so that way I can put the sticker. Honestly, it made no sense because it's a sticker at the end of the day, but I just thought, oh, adhesive, let's make it stay a little longer. I might be wrong, I might be right, but I just was like, let me try. Right now, I'm going to be applying the stones on the bottle. I'm going to be using the glue, the E6000 glue, and you can use a toothpick. You can use the back of a floss or whatever works well for you. The scissors was right there, so I figured why not just use that. Honestly, I think that it kind of made it a little bit messier and it would have been a little bit more precise with the toothpick, but I went with what I had, and scissors is what I had and what I seen, so I was like, why not? This process didn't take that long. It honestly took like 30 minutes, and I thought it was gonna take longer. It does depend on how many stones that you apply on the bottle. Of course, the more stones that you put, the more designs you put on the bottle, the longer it'll take. I was going for a pretty simple bottle. Like I said, this is my first time, so I wasn't trying to complicate things and do the absolute most. I do plan on trying this whole bottle technique again, but doing a different style, I guess. So y'all just seen me spray the adhesive on the stones. The reason why I did that is because I did mess up. What I should have done was, when I applied the glitter, make sure that no glitter was going to be on the part where the sticker was. But because there was glitter underneath the sticker, I wasn't able to glue the stones on that right side. I wasn't able to glue the stones directly on the bottle. It was a little bit bumpy. So the side I'm doing right now is pretty flat, but it was the other side that was a little bit kind of up. So by me adding the adhesive is so that way it can stay a little longer. Again, this is all a theory. I really don't know if it would have made a difference if I didn't use it, but I figured why not? Let me just add that extra coat of adhesive on the bottle just to help. Did let the glitter stay on the bottle for a day, and I only did that so that way I don't have to worry about, oh, is it dry or not? Adhesive is pretty quick. It's not gonna be anything that takes time to dry. I just wanted the glitter to be able to sit on the bottle as long as it could. So that was my thing. Right now I'm applying the bow, and you can use any type of ribbon, whatever, like lace. You can use that to just as a finishing touch. So I just got a simple ribbon and I hot glued it. The reason why I hot glued it is so that way it's not slipping up and down, so it's gonna stay exactly where it needs to stay. Thank y'all for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys for sticking this far. If there's anything else you guys would like to see from me, be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. Also, let me know if there's anything else I could have done differently. If you guys have any suggestions, be sure to subscribe. And thank y'all. Tune in next time.